to write you a letter. When I turn the page, I'd have the courage, yeah. And it's tough to let go even after all of this time. You are the reason why I'm fucked up, was drugged up. I lucked out 'cause I believed in all those lies. That you loved me, you never loved me. I don't know how to accept that what you did still colors me black. And it's got me like, I feel so, I made this void, now you don't look back. And it's got me like, I feel so, that's what you did. That's what you did. Now what you did still colors me black. And it's got me like, feel so, made this void, now you don't look back. This void. And I still see you smiling when you said to me, don't be a crime, baby. And I've been told that you're moving, even though I still feel the echoes. I'm fucked up, and I can't love myself now. I live like I own these lies, and I'm not enough, though you're not enough. Just want to shout it out. That what you did still colors me black. And it's got me like, I feel so, I made this void, now you don't look back. And it's got me like, I feel so, that's what you did. That's what you did. That what you did. What's on your mind? Can I read it from your eyes? Can relate and make the time stand still.